Welcome to the Crypto Boss Engine channel. Let's look at Bitcoin right now and kind of see what's going on. Bitcoin does look to be making a bull flag right now, so I do want to look at it. Right now, our next resistance I do have is $28,200. I do have a measure move out of a falling wedge that the measure move was almost $30,000. So we are getting closer to that target. Daily chart is overbought. The moving averages are far apart, so that's usually time you do need to consolidate. But you could easily get to 30K, in my humble opinion, before you see that consolidation. Going to the 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart is already getting the dump, and it's already down at 50 without much of a I would say it's not much of a dump on Bitcoin, but the RSI is falling quite rapidly, which tells me we are definitely making a higher low, and it probably means you're going to flag out on the smaller time frames, and it probably means Bitcoin will see that $30,000 target. So I like what I'm seeing right now on those time frames. The 1-hour chart is kind of making a rounded top, which I don't love, but again, moving averages still need to come closer, so that's a little bit sketchy on the 1-hour chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Just kind of going sideways. So it doesn't look too bad. Moving averages are getting tighter again, and again making, I would say, a higher low on the macro time frame. So overall, I like what I'm seeing. This isn't really. I don't like to see these rounded tops because that is, in my opinion, a rounded top. I guess that bull flag that I was looking at is kind of pushing it because you were dumping here. If you were to see a bull flag, you would have needed to probably stay and do something like this. And that type, if you get the bounce here, I guess you could say you're in a bull flag, but it's really pushing it. If you go up much lower, you are going to be out of that flag. So to me right now, you're not in a bull flag unless you get back above $27,200, and that's a bare minimum you could be at. So right now, I would say if you get back above 27.2, you're okay. But as of right now, 4-hour chart looks good because I think you're going to make a higher low. But right now, 1-hour chart, 15-minute chart looks sketchy. So the support to the downside, if you do start falling and getting consolidation now, is $25,000. And I would love to see you stay above for the weekly candle close tomorrow at 25,300. So short term, I do think Bitcoin is just going to consolidate over the next day or so. Moving averages, again, have to get close together. It would not be a bad situation at all, in my opinion, if you went down to 25K and then got a bounce and made a higher low there and then kept going up. So that's what I'm looking at right now for Bitcoin. I'm looking for a move to the downside. Based on the higher time frames needing the reset, but the daily chart still I still think that falling wedge that we had drawn, I still think you could get the move up there, but you could still get the move up there even if you come down to 25K and then continue your move higher. That is the most likely scenario. We'll see what happens. If you guys enjoy my analysis on this video, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe button, join my Telegram group. It is free to join. And if you guys have requests for other coins, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.